She better than, she better than, oh my baby hot, she hotter than.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is ZeeTheBeauty here. And first off, click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let's get straight into it. Now today, I was so happy when something came in the mail for me. And if you guys want to know what it is, I have been waiting for this BoxyCharm box for over a month now. I was waitlisted for December, and I was just thinking like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be waitlisted forever. And then when I got the Sephora Play box, I was just like, oh, I'm definitely gonna be waitlisted again. It actually came in the mail last night, so I quickly rushed to get this video to you guys so that you could see what is inside. I'm so excited. And excuse if my makeup is not at its best. I just came home from work. Work is long, so I try to refresh my makeup a little for you guys. You know, it was okay. It wasn't like my makeup was bad, but it definitely looks like I was working 9 to 5, you know, that type of thing. So let's get straight into it. Now this box is so cute and I love it, and the packaging, I love it. For those who don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a makeup box subscription. You get 5 items each month, and the difference between this box and the Sephora Play box is that Sephora Play box you just get samples, but with this box you get full items, girl. I said it, full items. It is $21 a month, but the fact that you're getting 5 full items is so worth it compared to this $10 sample box. You know, that don't even matter right now. Also, they have these options. If you pay for 3 months ahead, it's considerably like $19 a month. That's how they break it down. And then they have a 6-month subscription. I don't know if they have like a yearly subscription type thing, but I opt for the $21 so I can see if it's worth it. You know, it came last night, and of course, even though I'm unboxing it for you guys right now, I unboxed it last night because I get so excited when I get boxes and packages that I can't wait. But yeah, so we could just act like I didn't see everything already, and I will act like I didn't either. Now, the first thing I'm picking out of this box is this primer, luminizer primer base. Oh, I was just reading in French. I was gonna say base Lemeray by Dr. Brandt. I have to bring out this little card here that lists everything, and I guess there's a theme each month, or I don't know if it's a theme for a year. Rock 2018, rock and roll, soul. This Pores No More Illuminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. It said it is worth $38, and it's 1 floor ounce. Now the next thing I got is this IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. You know, I heard some things about IT Cosmetics, you know, controversial things there, but yeah, this is it. I think it's so cute, and I love brow pencils like this that are double-sided, like one with the brush and the actual pencil on one end. These are the kind of pencils that I usually use. This feels very sturdy too. This is $24. It's been developed with plastic surgeons. It's Cosmetics' #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotin, lecithin, saw palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, and vitamins A, and blah, 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 blah. Brow power technology to give you your most beautiful, natural looking brows, even if you have none at all. Plus, its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on the pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polished perfection. Color is actually a little bit, it looks more on the brown side. Taupe, yeah, taupe, universal taupe. I usually go for black with my eyebrows. If you guys can see it there. I go for darker brows, as you can see. It said natural looking, like I care for natural looking brows. Do you guys see my brows? Nothing natural about it. The next thing I'm about to pull out is this palette. Ooh, feels very sturdy. I'm so excited. I don't know what it is. What could this be? The the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brightening Cheek Palette. And on the go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. Featuring Purr's fan favorite Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade, Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. Worth $34. These are pretty, right? And on the back of this palette, it tells you the name of each color. Even though this is not really like a bronzing shade for me, very gold and pretty. A little will definitely go a long way with this. Now the next thing we got in here is this Galactic Matte Lip Paint. This is the case. See it? This matte lip paint is worth $23. One of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words is lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. You know this swatch is going to be like shit because I'm not left-handed whatsoever. I think this could go on every skin tone, which is really nice too.
That swatch had stayed on my hand for a while, you guys. I washed my hands several times and it was just still there by the next day. So that is a long-lasting lipstick.
Now the last thing in our box is this eyeshadow palette, this Glam Metals by Crown Pro palette, which is worth $25. It says, rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. This also feels very sturdy. I like the packaging. I love the metallic wording. And you guys, if you think I'm wearing the same shirt, because I did do another video with this green background, I am not wearing the same shirt. It's just very, very similar colors. I promise I'm not wearing the same shirt. I promise. This is the palette. Look at the mirror. And look at these colors. They're so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, this is lit. Okay. Hopefully you guys could see it all. So if I were to calculate how much all these items add up to, everything in this box was worth $144. Look at me. I am a full swatching whore right now. I can't wait to try everything out. I will try to get a video up to you guys probably sometime next week where I'll do a look with all these items. I am so excited for this box, and honestly, after last month's Sephora boss, I don't know, you know, I'm gonna give them one more month and see what they send me, but that was just a freaking joke. And it makes me not even want to think about getting samples anymore when I'm getting a full size, like a full item box for $21 a month. Why would I need samples? Especially if they're going to be sending me skincare shit. Skincare. And sample shampoo and conditioner that I can't even wash my hair once with. I mean, I guess I could use it to wash the gel out of my edges or something. I'm trying to give it a use. You see, I'm trying. Sephora Play, they did not try, but I'm trying. No one is able to wash their hair one time with that sample. No one. But anyways, let's stay on the positive note. I'm happy about this box. Thanks for watching, you guys. I love you all. Have a good day.